Blockchain technology has been on its highest ever since its initial release a long time ago, and many developers are looking for ways to improve it even more. People are looking for ways to make transactions faster while maintaining a clean and eco-friendly system to earn and hold money. Even though a lot of developers are working on improving it, it would still be hard balancing scalability, security, and decentralization in a single plate and not let anything slip apart. But with Fuse, developers have put together a technology that gives entrepreneurs and businesses around the world thriving crypto communities. Hello again, people of the internet, to another video from us here in Crypto Cash Out. Follow along as we bring you the latest news and updates in the cryptocurrency space. Remember that whatever we say or show in this video is not financial advice, and in the end, we are still not financial advisors. What we can give advice to you is for you to do additional research after watching this video to learn more about Fuse and things surrounding it. Now that we have that out of the way, let us head on to the video proper. So, a little background on Fuse and what they do. Essentially, Fuse is a decentralized blockchain platform. Here, users can make fast and efficient crypto payments and decentralized finances regardless of their location in the world. Fuse aims to bring banking in the palm of everyone's hand wherever you are in the world and whatever time. This simplified banking is aimed to help communities in the world with easy-to-do transactions. A little bit of history about Fuse. It is backed by Aleph, Collider Ventures, Wolf Edge Capital, TRGC, and Spark Capital. The company started as a concept that slowly became a reality for them. The reality of them was an increasing speed in transactions with peer-to-peer networks. A group of highly skilled individuals led by Mark Smargon wanted to create a platform that allows users to launch and manage new networks with the simple tools within the platform. Another thing in their vision list is to put democratized and borderless money into the hands of millions worldwide with their platform. With the vision to unite everyday finances with the ever-improving blockchain industry, the platform wants to make the system decentralized and easy access while making it so that users will not have to pay a lot for it. By integrating fiat currencies in the blockchain, Fuse Network has gained a lot of attention from investors and people who want to get into crypto. The developers of the project has a bit of experience when it comes to integrating fiat with crypto from their previous project called Colu. It had a similar function to Fuse, but they wanted to do more with Colu, so they moved on to create Fuse. Now, Fuse is used by millions around the globe to make crypto payments and have DeFi services thanks to the convenient tools that are present in Fuse. Before we head on to know more about Fuse, let us know a little more about its tokenomics. Although the network started way back in 2019, the coin was released around February 2021 and it has definitely seen its ups and downs in the market. It started at the price at around 10 cents a piece and continued a steady growth until dropping again around June. Like every other crypto out there, they had a surge in price in November, reaching their year high of over 60 cents that time. By that time, a lot of people already had their eyes set on Fuse and started investing. By the time the new year rolled around, the price suddenly skyrocketed around the third week of January, hitting an all-time high of over $2. However, the price hike was short-lived as the price seemed to have dropped to prices not even reaching $1. But people are not leaving Fuse in the dust as the price is somewhat similar to the previous all-time high with 66 cents at the time of writing the script of this video. More won the token. The market cap of the token sits at around $36 million with a 24-hour trading value of over $650,000. At the time of writing this video, there are currently over 55 billion Fuse tokens in circulation with a total supply of over 300 billion. The numbers may not seem impressive for some, but remember that the coin is only a year old at the time of writing, so give it a little time and it may grow to one of the industry's best. Because Fuse is the native token of the Fuse network, it is an important asset for everyone using the network as it is the main token being exchanged to carry out all forms of transactions to the network and do some staking activities. Moreover, if a person can stake at least 100,000 tokens and hold on to it, they have the option to become a validator in the network. What do they do if they become a validator? Validators are important in the governance of the protocol as they are able to vote and help decide on the pressing issues that concern the network. That is not only the thing a validator can do, as they are also rewarded by other token holders when they delegate their stake tokens to them. Another thing that the token offers is high speed. The network is different from others and has a low transaction cost. The transaction in the network costs only a cent to encourage massive adoption and help the target audience with little income to earn more. Moreover, the network can process and transact 120 native tokens and ERC-20 tokens in a second, which is a number most blockchain fail to do. Fuse network has a lot of uses. Because of this, a lot of products can be built on the platform and work their way up from there. Because of that function, parties can benefit if they launch their economy on the network. An example of this is how a leader in the community can provide mobile payments to their community members in such a way that is secure, or how business owners can customize their token that can benefit themselves and clients with discounts. Other services that can be built around the Fuse network are with stable Coinbase economies, consumer payments, credits, points, loyalty systems similar to credit card companies, shared ownership, and DeFi integration. Because of how easy it is to use Fuse network, you can literally operate and use it within your phone, a lot of businesses have taken advantage of this to offer their services and products to smaller communities. Some businesses include a Good Dollar, which is a yield-generating DeFi protocol, Fuse Wallet to store crypto with fiat currencies, Seedbed to allow users to explore various tools and infrastructure to create their community currency, Wikibank to render humanitarian services online, and Digital Rand to reduce the volatility faced by digital assets. These are just some of the companies that are built on the Fuse network that are looking forward to helping the community. But with all this being said, is it all worth investing in Fuse? Remember that the crypto market is extremely volatile and can change in a matter of seconds. So, we have to look into some price predictions. As previously mentioned before, the price of Fuse sits at around 66 cents at the time of writing this video. The website Wallet Investor sees that the price will have a slow and steady run for 2022 but will not beat its all-time high back in January. They predict that the coin will sit around a price of $1.3, and in 5 years they foresee that the coin will have a price of $3.6. Now let us look at how the website price predictions foresees that price of Fuse. They predict that the coin will have a good run in 2022 and end the year with a price of almost $2. By 2023, they see the coin to beat its all-time high with a price of $2.86 and will reach prices more than double of that with $6.46. But when it comes to long-term, Fuse will be massive according to price predictions, as they predict the token to grow to over $40 by the time 2030 comes. If you think that the price prediction is too optimistic with their forecast, then don't worry, as we have another website for you. Digital Coin predicts the price of Fuse to be at around $2 when 2022 ends. This year-end prediction is similar to price prediction, but where they vary is in the long term. Digital Coin's algorithm sees the price of Fuse to sit at over $6 around 2029, which is a long time from now. Although it is not as large as how other websites see it to be, there is still growth nonetheless. The Fuse platform powers the entire Fuse platform and its ecosystem as a decentralized publicly accessed blockchain network that integrates the Ethereum ecosystem. It is designed so that users can send and receive both fiat currencies and digital tokens with a fast and secure block confirmation. And despite all of their innovations with the blockchain technology, they are still looking forward to improving their platform and adding features that bring them one step closer to their ultimate goal of bringing banking in the palm of the user's hand with fast and secure transactions. Hey there! Thanks for watching this video. It really means a lot to us. If you haven't already, please do leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel to help us make more videos like this. And would you be so kind to leave a comment down below if you think Fuse is all worth it for a chance at a shoutout giveaway. Also, we have a video that talks about Phantom, so if you have the time, you can also check that out if you like. Thanks for watching. Until next time, and have fun cashing out!